Trisha. Can I get the vanilla
bun?
Yeah, and then the cinnamon roll.
And it's
Got our pastries. Here's the vanilla. The cinnamon, I think. Here's vanilla. I like it.
you like that one. Yeah, I like it.
I like the cinnamon roll better.
Yeah.
And I got raspberry croissant.
Ooh, that looks good.
Looks like this. I was not expecting it to look like this. I thought this is called a Danish.
Oh yeah, I thought so too. You like that?
It's flaky.
Yeah.
I like the croissant better.
The cinnamon? Yeah, I really like it. It is so good. Can I try that one? It is tasty. Out of all of it, cinnamon. Yeah. I get it. I get it now. I get it.
We're in the church. I forgot what this church is called, but I'll put it on the screen. But there's like nobody here, so we're just taking pictures. Museum. It's kind of like windy. Whoa, thank you. Wait, this is so cool. Yeah, it's cold, huh? Wait, yeah, this is so cool. You can see the lights.
Your hair looks longer than last June. There's so much I've been down to know about you. Can I just? But we've been distant. Is it too soon to call for?
So it says, how do you think melting glaciers will affect the world? So it's just melting over time, right? Oh, wait. And
And it's to ask you what's new. And I hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad. I know that
look how cute this is. I would buy it.
It feels like it's hopeless.
I really like it.
Begging, please
It's a
hold
little
on.
expensive.
Maybe the reason tossing and turning is 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. So if I said or did something that hurt you, I'm sorry, you know I never meant to. Hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done, and it feels like it's hopeless.
I really like it. Recap of our day so far. It's only like almost 2 p.m. And I feel like we've done a lot already.
And I can't believe it's not nighttime yet. I can't believe we only ate once.
I know. But what we tried so far, we really like the cinnamon roll. That was so
From
good.
Rod and Co.
Yeah, that one's so good. We even went around like Reykjavik and saw the Rainbow Street, saw the church.
The Sun Voyager.
Yeah. And then we went to the museum, which is cool. They had like the ice caves, and I freaking fell asleep.
We both fell asleep.
we fell asleep during the Northern Lights show at the planetarium. Like the second it started, I knocked out, and then the second it ended, that's when I woke up.
Jhez had to wake me up
Yeah.
when it ended because I fell asleep. But Jhez fell asleep first.
Yeah.
I looked. I fell asleep and then I woke up. I looked over. Jhez was sleeping and I'm like, okay, let me try to watch. But I fell back asleep.
And the show was only 20 minutes. Dude, that was so funny.
Yeah. Good thing Jhez woke me up because I would.
People were waiting for us to get up. But
Yep.
I think it's a good day so far. And we bought groceries right before this. And now we're gonna look for Icelandic hot dog.
Yep.
Yeah.
Hot dogs.
Yeah. And the day's not even over. We still have our Northern Lights tour later. I think we're
Wish us
getting a
luck.
lot done. Yeah. Well, I hope we get it. I hope we see it tonight. It's kind of cloudy over there. But I have high hopes. I'm gonna manifest it for us. We got chocolate, and this is called the polar bear, and it has torched marshmallows on top.
And like oatmeal crumble.
Mm-hmm. Good. And the base is vanilla ice cream.
I think it's just chocolate syrup.
I got chocolate syrup. It's kind of like s'mores.
Oh yeah.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star.
Can I just get one hot
Waiting just to
with
wake
everything?
up
Yes,
from
please.
this nightmare where you could be right
No, it's okay. Thank you.
arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle.
Everything.
You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong.
I like it.
But if we turn the clocks back,
Good. Oh. We're gonna go on our Northern Lights tour. Up. You see my camera. You can't even see anything, but my camera's here.
Yeah, I can't see
and my phone's here. Yeah. You can't see it, but I have a tripod. Can you see me? No, barely. We're still waiting. On to our next location.
Oh.
I wonder if you can see the stars. I don't know. I will see later. Very soon.
so now we're going to your bedroom.
Bus. Good morning. We're at our first stop right now. It's like almost 10 o'clock. We're on our way to Thingvellir National Park, but we saw these people parked, and I think we're going to a waterfall. We're just following like where they went. Like it's so white, so snowed. See, I don't know how far we should go. Do we have the time for it? Okay, I think this was supposed to be a waterfall, but we decided to just turn around because I don't think we have time for it. But it's okay because we're gonna see other waterfalls. Or I don't know about today, but on this trip we'll see other waterfalls. We're at Thingvellir National Park now. It's so cold, but duh, because we're in Iceland. How's it so far?
It's a walk.
Yeah, it's a walk. Look, we're going up there. It's so pretty though. Look, our first waterfall. This is the tomato restaurant. Look at the horses. Aww. Oh, I just slipped. Fighting. Look at the horses. And we just cut up some basil to put in our soup. It's so good. Dude, the bread is good too.
The best tomato soup.
Honestly, yeah.
Everything is simple, but it's good. It's so good.
I like it here so far. We got our food. Me and Trisha both got pasta. Was it good? Does it taste fresh? Okay, let me try. Cheers. Good. I like it. Dude, to be honest, the soup and bread.
I like the best.
Oh, I'm gonna say it was like kind of making me full already.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is good. My scarf. You saw her? Oh. Why are you yelling? Oh, you could, yeah, you could kind of tell when it comes. Parking lot here.
Through the pavement and concrete, on the bridge you brought to me, and I would hold you if it meant you wouldn't go. Through the showers and the snow, no, you always seem to grow in the places that no one could ever reach.
Me and Trisha are looking for a Haruna log. It's like a small hot spring, and there's nobody here, and there's no obvious indication of like where it is. There's literally nobody here, so we'll see if we find it. We're laughing because after that clip, Trisha, what?
We were walking this hill.
Trisha made that. She stepped. She stepped on the edge. I don't think we can find it. I don't know where it's at. There's also supposed to be like some kind of hut looking thing. Okay, we drove to another location and we found it. There's actually like a bathroom and like you gotta pay, I think, to swim. But the guy was so nice, he just let us in because we're just checking it out.
Let's do. It's gonna be 100. We ain't leaving until it's 100.
We're at our spot to go Aurora hunting. We're using this app and it says the KP index is 3 and there's a 73% chance that we're gonna see the northern lights here. Yesterday when we went with our tour, like we weren't even in, I think it was like 3% chance.
Yeah.
But we still kind of saw it yesterday. So today, let's
We're
freaking
gonna
go.
see it light
We're gonna
up
see
the
a
sky.
yeah. They're gonna dance for us. But yeah,
We're gonna see some purple.
we're manifesting it. We're gonna see it so much better than last night.
Baby, shampoo and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since you started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places. The phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything that strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl.
We didn't even mean to stop here. We saw like auroras on that side. I'm like, okay, wait, let me take a picture over here on this spot. And then we see all of these buses. I'm like, what? We just kind of stumbled upon this, right?
We have Jhez driving.